Welcome back. It's now time for Midday Sports.
West Indies head coach Darren Sammy says the tour of England has been a disappointing one after the team suffered their 5th defeat against the hosts on their trip. The Windies are in danger of being whitewashed in the T20 series as they trail the hosts 2-0 following their 4-wicket defeat in Bristol on Sunday. Batting first, the Caribbean men posted what appeared to be a competitive 196 for 6. Captain Shea Hope top scored with 49, while Johnson Charles made 47. Jason Holder, 29 from 9 deliveries, and Romario Shepherd, 19 from 11, added some quick runs towards the end after Jamaican Rovman Powell had made a blistering 34 from 15 balls. Seamer Luke Wood was the pick of the England bowlers with 2 for 25. In their chase, England were once again led to victory by Jos Buttler, who top scored with 47 following his 96 in the opening game. Azari Joseph led the bowling for the West Indies with 2 for 45, while 4 other bowlers took a wicket each. For Sammy, there is too much talent within the team for them not to be competitive.
Yeah, very disappointing. The way we played in 2024, we were all looking forward to 2025, especially the contest we've had over the last 2 years against England, even though it's been at home. But we've been much more competitive in the series. So to lose both series and not get off the back yet, it's very disappointing because of the caliber of players we have in this team.
The third and final game, which is a day-night affair, will be played on Tuesday. It is set to bowl off at 12:30 p.m. Jamaica time. Olympic silver medalist Kishane Thompson was left dissatisfied with his execution despite running a season's best 9.88 seconds to win on his Racers Grand Prix debut at the National Stadium on the weekend. Thompson, who was running only his second 100-meter race of the season on local soil, finished ahead of last year's winner Oblique Seville 9.97 and the South Africans Gift Leotila 10.04. But the defending national champion felt a better execution would have delivered a faster time.
Honestly, it's like a building block for me. We're working on the whole race phases. I wouldn't say I'm pleased with the time. The time wasn't the aim. I was just trying to put together a better race coming into Racers Grand Prix.
Former Edwin Allen standout Brian Level was denied a world leading and a personal best after running 19.79 seconds, aided by a 2.5 meter per second win. Rashawn Clark showed no signs of the injury that had him pulling up at the Miami Grand Slam track last month as he led the Jamaican sweep in the men's 400-meter hurdles, clocking 48.65 seconds to win ahead of Asini Wilson and Malik James King. Other notable performances came from two-time World 200-meter champion Sharika Jackson, who delivered a season's best 22.53 seconds to win the 200 meters. And finally, Arnett Gardens will be in Group D of the CFU Club Shield competition after the draw that took place on Monday morning. The Junglists are placed in a group with Club Francisson from Martinique, Scholars United from Cayman Islands, Dublin FC from Dominica, AC Port of Spain from Trinidad and Tobago, and Docks United from Anguilla. 24 teams will be competing this year, with 6 teams placed in 4 groups, where the winner from each will progress to the semifinals and the finalists will qualify for the CONCACAF Caribbean Cup. The competition runs from July 26 to August 3 in Trinidad and Tobago. I'm Christopher Scott, and that is your Midday Sports Report.
Thank you, Christopher. And that's the Midday News Package. I'm Carrie Ann Simpson. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.